Oh no, the Green Goblin is taking over the factory and throwing things outside. We need to catch 3 pyramids. Pyramids have 5 corners. Tap right to move right. Magnet mode. Pyramid. 2. 3. Pyramids. Pyramids have 5 corners. Amazing. We need to catch 7 spheres. Spheres don't have corners. One, magnet mode. 2, spheres. 3 spheres. 4 spheres. Magnet mode. 5 spheres. 6 spheres. 7 spheres. Spheres don't have corners. All the shapes have been collected in time and the Green Goblin has been defeated.